All right, we got about a minute left on this puzzle, guys. What do we got? I really do think we're looking at chemical bonds here, guys. Maybe like a carbon atom touching a hydrogen atom. Could be hydrogen atoms, could be carbon atoms, could be Brian atoms. We don't have time for jokes. Well, everything I do it for you. What do you got? Wait, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Pythagorean theorem? Right, the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagorean. You're right. You're both right. Got anything for us? I was wrong. It's the Fibonacci sequence. Right, the fettuccine sequence. No, he said Guys, Gemini? It's the signs of the zodiac. Ha! My screensaver was on the whole time.